Hey guys, and welcome to the StudioLive Minute. In this video we're going to check out how to create a backup and restore your StudioLive Series III mixer. First off, you're going to need to open Universal Control, and you can see I've got two mixers connected to Universal Control, my StudioLive 32R and my StudioLive console mixer 32SC. So if I open my StudioLive 32R, go to the settings tab in the top right hand side, and you'll see I have a backup tab. So I select backup. This will now make a backup of my complete mixer's presets, scenes, and projects. I then also have the option to restore my backup to a different Series 3 mixer. So let's say I've got a rack mixer and I use a console mixer for different concerts or gigs. I can select my separate 32SC console mixer, select my backup, and restore my rack mixer's full settings onto my console mixer. Okay guys, thanks for joining to check out how to back up and restore your StudioLive Series 3 mixer.